Homeland Security investigators found some 600 pounds of marijuana at the Port of Philadelphia. Agents found it hidden in a shipping container, and all of the credit goes to a narcotics detection dog. The container arriving from Puerto Rico was filled with rice, but was also stuffed with 250 bricks of marijuana. It was all being sent to an address in North Jersey. Officials say the drugs have a street value of $2.5 million. The marijuana will be destroyed, and the investigation continues.